Is your HP OfficeJet Pro not printing? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 7 simple methods to fix the problem. We'll cover everything from resetting the printer to cleaning the printhead, so don't miss method 5, where we'll update the printer firmware to fix common printing issues. Let's get started. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Method 1. Reset the printer. With the printer turned on, unplug the power cord from the printer and the wall outlet. Wait 60 seconds, then reconnect everything and turn the printer back on. Method 2. Set it as the default printer. Open printers and scanners from the Start menu. Turn off Let Windows manage my default printer. Select your HP OfficeJet Pro, click Manage, then choose Set as Default. Method 3. Update the printer driver. Open Device Manager. Expand Print Queues. Right-click your printer. Select Update Driver, then choose Search automatically for drivers. Method 4. Clear the print queue. Open Control Panel, Devices and Printers. Right-click your printer, select See What's Printing, click Printer, cancel all documents and confirm. Method 5. Update the printer firmware. Don't miss this step, it fixes many hidden printer issues. Make sure your printer is connected to Wi-Fi. On the printer display, go to Settings, Printer Maintenance, then Printer Update. Accept the web services terms if prompted. Enable automatic updates and install any available firmware updates. Method 6. Reinstall the ink cartridges. Open the cartridge access door and wait for the carriage to stop moving. Remove each ink cartridge, then reinstall it firmly into its slot. Tap OK if prompted. Method 7. Clean the printhead. Open the cartridge access door, remove the ink cartridges, lift the grey latch and remove the printhead. Gently flush each nozzle with warm water using a syringe and tube. Dry the printhead completely before reinstalling it. Like the video and subscribe for more printer fixes. If your printer is still showing errors after trying all the methods, call the helpline number shown on the screen for further assistance.